here, and we are doing another knife sharpening video today. So the knife, sorry about that, I had to reach for something. The knife we're doing today is a deboning knife. It's pretty good. It's a 11-inch blade on it. It's pretty good. I use it for skinning deer, and tomorrow I'm going to be going to my work. I might do a video of skinning a deer. So I'm going to sharpen it and stuff so I can do a video tomorrow. Hold on. So I'm using a whetstone again, as I did in my other video, and my water. So you have to wet the stone before you do anything. As you can see, wetting the stone. And you want to rub it in so it gets all over the whole stone. And then you want to angle your knife up on a 40-degree angle, about like that, and stroke it about 5 times on one side, 5 times on the other, and keep doing that for around 3 times. And then test how sharp it is, and then if it's at your good sharpening point where you like it, then you can use it for anything then. I'm just sharpening it right now. And I'm doing the other side. 40-degree angle on both sides, or we'll not get an even blade. While I'm doing this, I'm going to say this in all my videos. I'm going to give a shout out to my cousin, Potato King 246. He has a good gaming video and some outdoor stuff. You might see me in some of his videos, so go check out his channel. He has some good footage. Now I'm doing the second time. Now the other side, 5 times. Now 3rd time. Now let's see how sharp it is. I got a piece of paper here. I'm gonna grab it. Got a piece of paper here. Let's see how sharp it is. Let's get a good even side. Razor sharp. Razor sharp. Smooth cut straight through. So you can see. Let's do a stab and slice. That is sharp. That is sharp. Now these whetstones, they sharpen your knives pretty good. Especially 15 times on one side, 15 times on the other. As you can see, I'm just shredding this piece of paper with this blade. I'm not shredding it, cutting it. That is sharp. That will work good on a deer. Now, it would work better if I have a belt to hone the edge to get all these little lines and make it more smooth to cut a lot smoother. But I don't have an old belt right now, so I have to work with that. But another cool hack for knife sharpening, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but use a car window, a little round side on the inside of the car window. That works really good for some reason. I heard that from a friend, so I tried it before and it works pretty good. Now I think it's sharp, but I can get it sharper, so let's see if we can. Needs more water. This block is a whetstone, but it's sort of like a sandstone. It takes metal off at a fine edge. So I brought my pot of water. sharpen it again. Let's see how sharp it is. I'm gonna get a fresh piece of paper. So we got a fresh piece of paper. This is card paper, a little bit thicker than printer paper. So let's see how sharp it is. That cuts through clean. And this card paper is as thick as 3 pieces of printer paper. Now let's try a piece of printer paper. Now, see, got a piece of printer paper. Okay, I got a piece of colored paper so you guys can see it. That is clean. That is clean. That is nice. That'll skin it to your good. Now, like I said in my second video, the bow video, I'm probably gonna be doing what's it called? A giveaway, maybe this month. So it's not gonna be anything big, but if I can get 50 likes on this video in 24 hours, I'll do a giveaway in 2 weeks. Now I'm doing two giveaways. So I'm gonna pick 2 people out of the giveaway, and you have to go down, like the video, subscribe, comment, I subscribe, and I'll pick 2 people in 2 weeks to see who the winner is. The giveaway is gonna be probably a pocket knife, or maybe yeah, we can do a pocket knife giveaway. So that'll be pretty cool. So you have to do, I'll repeat myself again. You have to, sorry, that's the printer next to me. But you have to like the video, subscribe, and comment, I subscribe. And in 2 weeks, I will pick the winner for a pocket knife giveaway. Okay, so let's do one more cut, and then ending the video. So I see my brother behind me. He's getting my a piece of paper from the printer. There we go. So I'm ending the video here, but don't forget to like and subscribe.